The first thing I'll be talking about is working on your body. Like, people don't really know the importance of how you need to work on your body. For me, I started working out on my body like 2020, and I won't come and say, hey, it's so easy, because it's not so easy to actually work on your body. It's not easy to actually get fit. It's work, it's hard work, but it's so good. It helps you, it helps your mind, it helps you to think properly. It just helps you. Since I started working out, I really feel like, for me, the least I go for every week is 3 times, at least 3 times in a week I work out. And I didn't really understand the importance of working out really until I started. So sometimes, yeah, you hear a lot of people tell you, work out, do this, do that, but sometimes you don't really know. You don't know the importance of those things until you start doing them. I will skip for like maybe I'll skip for like 100 times a day. Those times when I started, like the first 6 months, I was doing it every day. I was consistent. I will skip 100 times a day. So I will squat, I will do all those things. And it was really, really helping me. I was really seeing this improvement on my body. I was getting the shape that I wanted for my body. I don't really think that working out is for just those that are fat. Like, fatness is not like a bad thing like that. Some people just have that, that kind of body. It doesn't really mean like, it's because they eat so much. I have so many of my friends that are fat, and really I eat way more than them, and they are fatter than me. So I won't really want to say, oh, this person is fat because they eat so much, or it's because of what they are doing, their kind of things they are doing that is making them fat. I feel like the moment you start loving your body, the moment you start taking up that decision that you want to take good care of your body, you want to work out, you want to eat rightly, you watch the kind of things that you eat, it will really help you go so far. For me, when I started working out, I started noticing that anytime I try to study, it helps me to be able to understand really, really fast. So I realized that working out is very, very important, even for you studying. If you're a student and you're trying to just help your growth, help yourself to be able to understand more, working out is really, really good. It helps your confidence also. Ever since I started working out and taking good care of my body, I've been really, really confident. The way I used to talk, I've been so confident, even for my dreams, achieving some of the things that I want to achieve for myself. I realized that I was able to do this thing, and it's just because I just made that decision to work on my body, to work on myself, to ensure that I was eating the right things. For me, I'm this kind of person. I love to take drinks. I really don't like eating so much. I won't say I don't like food. I really do love food, but I really love drinks. But when I started working on my body, I started reducing the quantity of drinks I was taking. When it comes to workout, you need to do what fits for you. Work on what you think that works for you. For me, skipping is enough. Like, if I just skip, do squats, I'm good to go. There are some people that need to take it up. There are some people that need to like do the real workouts in the gym, do all those things. There are some people that really, really need to do all those things. And if you feel like you're one of them, I think you should do these things. And if you really do love yourself, you love your body, you want to have that kind of body that you just, it doesn't really have to be that you have to look like a model, just taking care of your body is so important. Apart from the fact that you should honor your mom, you should honor your dad, honor your parents, you should also work on your body. You should work on yourself. You should work out, eat rightly, and be prayerful. I also feel like praying is also very, very important when it comes to your growth, your body growth. If you want to have that body growth, if you want to have that kind of body for yourself, you pray. I remember the time that I was asking God to really help me, help my bum bum. I wanted to increase my bum bum. I wanted to increase some part of my body, and I was just praying. It was actually funny praying such kind of prayers. But really, God answered my prayers. Yeah, God answered my prayers. So you can also pray. If you feel like the reason why your relationship is not working out so fine, it could actually be because of your body. Because trust me, your body is the first thing that people see about you. Before people even get to talk to you, your body is the first thing that they get to meet. your body is what they get to see. So you want to take care of your body. You want to feel confident about yourself. You want to take care of your hair. You want to take care of your makeup. Even if you don't have to be like a professional makeup artist, but you want to know how to do the basics at least. You don't want to come out looking like a masquerade. You want to be able to take good care of yourself, because it's going to help your confidence. It's going to help you in the long run. I remember like just downloading a lot of these videos, and I was just learning some of these exercises. Some of them were not really easy, but I really noticed that I saw that, oh, these videos were not even working out for me, and I just stick to what I could do, which is just skipping, and skipping was really doing fine for me. And right now I can't even tell you so many opportunities I've gotten just because people just tell you, hey, I like the way you look, I like this about you. It just shows me that there's so much importance when you actually do take care of your body. When you take good care of your body, you become really attractive to people, even if you don't get to be so skinny. But really, there's that thing when you're no more overweight, the way you used to feel, the way you used to be. You've taken out time to work on yourself, and that's because you love yourself, and that's because you value yourself, and you believe in yourself. That's why you're working on your body. And for you to get that guy that you want for yourself, you need to know that men, they are moved by what they see. Don't deceive yourself that, oh, okay, it's only the heart. What they see is also very important in the men's world. So you want to, like, at least, even if you're fat, you just want to, like, just reduce a little, or just work on yourself. Apart from the fact that it shows you value yourself, it shows that you love your man enough to want to take care of your body. And if you want to get that guy back, maybe the guy that broke up with you, your ex, and you want to show him pepe them gang, you should also, like, take out that time to just work on your body, work on yourself. And when that person sees you, the person will be like, whoa, I'm serious. Like, the person will regret. I remember how many of my exes have regretted that they left me, because see me now. I just feel it's important. And really, why I do these kind of videos is because I want to help a lot of people. If I knew all these things a long time, I know that I won't have made a lot of decisions that I made before. But I never have any regrets, because still your mistakes are what helps you to reach the level that you're at right now. So I won't really say, oh, okay, I made a lot of mistakes. The mistake is what is keeping me here. It's what is making me into this video, but it's still important to make the right decisions. Make the right decisions for yourself, for your family, for your unborn children, for your generation, and for God.